This is a new 2015 Ford Transit 250. It's powered by rear-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include digital audio input, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, keyless entry, privacy glass, air conditioning, power windows, power mirrors, power steering, and AM/FM stereo. Safety was made a priority with these features: brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Brennigan Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 615 South Black River Street, Sparta, Wisconsin 54656.